Hi, Linda here, and today I wanted to share a free printable calendar with you. So this is a totally free printable download. I've posted it for everyone online and the link is in the description below. But stick around for the rest of this video because I want to share multiple ideas on how you could use this, why you might actually want to print it out more than once, multiple copies for a variety of purposes. So you can definitely use this as a simple yearly wall calendar, but it can also be useful for things like bullet journaling, planning, and I found especially for tracking. So let me get into the details and share what I have found works best. First, I printed out this calendar on my home printer, and it's black and white, so very ink friendly to print out as many copies as you need. You can definitely personalize it as well. You can color in the flowers and decorate with pens and inks, maybe highlight the weekends or color code certain dates, and obviously label it as well if you want to, however you would like to decorate it. And I really love having motivational quotes around me, so that's why I added the Buddha quote on the bottom along with my little girl drawings, just to make it a bit more inspirational, a bit more motivational, so it's both form and function. So the obvious way to use this printable is to stick it on your wall or desk to keep track of the date. So it's always handy to have a year-at-a-glance calendar. But I found that after a while, it's easy to overlook the calendar, like you don't even notice that it's there anymore. And I found myself wondering how can I use this type of printable? How can I make it more useful? And I realized that if I was actually interacting with it on a regular basis, then it would be more top of mind. Similar to calendars where you have to tear off a page a day. So I thought, this type of yearly format would actually make a really great tracker. So the idea is to check off or circle the dates when you are successful at a certain habit. And it could be daily or weekly even. And I know in the bullet journaling world, there are so many people that keep track of their daily or weekly habits in a month form. But it's never really worked for me because it was something that I had to fill out at the end of the day, right? And if I forgot to do something, then it was already too late most of the times to do it. So it didn't really help for forming new habits especially. But in this calendar format, if I washi tape the printout in the location or near the location where I'm supposed to do that habit, then I could get that reminder and also check it off immediately. So really it serves two purposes. It's the trigger for the habit and it is the tracker for the habit. So a really simple example is if you want to remember to take your vitamins, maybe you would put this calendar somewhere in your kitchen near where you would always get your morning coffee or have your breakfast. It will become part of your morning routine, and when you see it, you'll be reminded to take your vitamins. So this is especially good for forming a new habit because you need that reminder. Otherwise, it's already a habit and something that you do and you probably don't need to track it. I have also cut apart each month and washi tape it into my planner to keep it sort of smaller or handier for different types of tasks or habits depending what it is I want to check off. It's really helpful to sort of have that month, and I also can carry that month with me on the little washi tape from a week-to-week spread. So even though we are already a few months into the year 2018, there's still a lot of ways we can use this calendar printable. And of course, you can also cut the printable apart in the end and use the illustrations as decoration in your bullet journaling, in your art journaling, in your planner. I encourage you to share how you might use this printable down below in the comments. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed the information I shared about printables as well as this free printable calendar download. If you want to see more tutorials and free printable videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time!